Preparing for the COMPRO exam? This guide maps out a smarter way to study the official rules and scenarios. Stop memorizing outdated commercial question packs. The most effective way to prepare for the COMPRO exam starts with source control. This means building your study plan around current, official documents from authoritative sources like the OHCSF and OAGF. Relying on the official public service rules, financial regulations, and the latest circulars ensures you are studying the exact material you will be tested on. This approach protects you from changes in rule numbering and obsolete information found in unofficial guides. Organize your official documents into a two-layer binder, which can be physical or digital. The first layer is your master layer, containing the core documents, the Public Service Rules 2021, and the published financial regulations. The second is your update layer. This holds the annual COMPRO circular for your exam year, your specific category syllabus, and any later establishment or treasury circulars that clarify or supersede older rules. This structure ensures that a newer, valid instruction always outranks an older provision. Instead of memorizing hundreds of isolated rule numbers, map the public service rules by decision clusters. This helps you understand how the rules function in real-world scenarios. Group related topics together, such as entry, confirmation, and exit in one cluster. Then cover performance and development, followed by conduct and discipline. Finally, group leave and welfare and the scope of the rules. For each rule, identify the trigger, the authority, the required action, and the consequence. This turns the PSR into a practical decision-making tool. The financial regulations can seem complex, but they follow a logical transaction trail. Start by identifying the roles and responsibilities of key officers. Then, trace the flow of authority for revenue and expenditure. Follow the life of a payment, from vouchers and certification to bank reconciliation. Understand the rules for cash books, imprest, and monthly accounts. Finally, cover the custody of public money and controlled documents. By viewing these areas as one connected chain, you can solve complex scenarios methodically. To consistently solve complex CBT scenarios for both PSR and financial regulations, use a 6-part response spine. For any situation presented, first identify the core issue, then determine the correct authority and the responsible officer. Next, pinpoint the required document or action. Look for the specified control or independent check that must be performed. Finally, consider the consequence or escalation path if the rule is not followed. This structured approach forces you to analyze all the moving parts before selecting an answer. A wrong answer during practice is an opportunity. Use a detailed error log to diagnose exactly why you made a mistake. Don't just write careless. Instead, use specific labels like scope if you applied the wrong rule set, version if an old rule tricked you, or actor if you confused the responsible officer. After correcting the answer from the official source, create a new version of the scenario by changing one key fact. This method turns passive review into active learning and ensures you don't repeat the same errors. Now you have the framework for a smarter, source-controlled study plan. This method helps you build deep knowledge of the rules so you can handle any scenario the COMPRO exam presents. To get the full details, including the 6-day study sprint and links to the official documents, read the complete guide on our website. Visit openexamprep.com to access the full article and more free practice resources.